Vic is doing her makeup. Cameron's getting ready. And guess where we are? We're at New Orleans.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. And this is the van. Day one. Day two really, but day one of actually doing something other than driving. You know.
Trying to find free parking. I've already spent $10 on parking here.
It's probably not gonna happen.
Oh, it's not. But I'm gonna try anyway. I'm optimistic, really.
Woohoo! So this is, for those of you who've been to New Orleans, this is by the river. And down there and stuff is like, this is all French Quarter area. New Orleans! Woohoo! Where are we headed to?
Bourbon Street and Café du Mont.
Café du Mont.
And what are we gonna eat?
Beignets!
Yes, we are.
Beignet chat! Can we go down here? Happy Thanksgiving, guys! Happy Thanksgiving!
I got a big fat woman who loves me all night long. And everybody got to sing. Don't tell nobody. Everybody got a big fat woman who loves me all night long. Don't tell nobody. Got a big fat woman who loves me all night long. Don't tell nobody. Got a big fat woman who loves me all night long. Don't tell nobody. Got a big fat woman who loves me all night long. Don't tell nobody. Got a big fat woman who loves me all night long.
We're exploring art. What are we doing?
Looking at the art, listening to the music, feeling the New Orleans vibes.
Art imitates life, so
This little umbrella raining New Orleans. Is closed. We walked around downtown for so long looking for places to eat. We drove around the city looking for places to eat. Everything was closed. So it's a national holiday. It's Thanksgiving if you forgot. And we're in the middle of a pandemic. So we drove around, we got really sad, we got really hangry, we decided to go to McDonald's, but then we saw a Waffle House. You can't even see the logo, but it's there. Hash browns, hash browns, hash browns.
this is a real Thanksgiving meal.
Literally nowhere to eat. And also, Cam is holding panty liners. There we go, the Waffle House.
Sweet, sweet Waffle House.
We are so excited!
What's going on, Cam?
Oh, is this a video?
What's the sitch?
Oh shoot. Oh shoot.
Right now we're in Austin.
Hey vlog. Got our brews in Austin.
Woohoo!
I'm still on the trip. I got a brewski too. And some water.
We are gonna go and find a place to park for the night, and we're gonna make some mac and cheese and some food, don't know what yet, And then we're gonna put our string lights up and we're gonna
Play some
drink and play some
games.
games and watch a movie and just hang out all night.
Bonding time.
It's gonna rain all tomorrow, so
We'll have a little cozy
Yeah.
stay-in night
Yeah.
in our packed van.
yeah.
Some blankets. and-
Tomorrow we're gonna hit up the junk museum.
Yeah, the junkyard
and
museum.
walk
Michelle,
around
where does
in our-
Michelle want to go?
Michelle wants to
We
go
need to
get some
ponchos.
briskets.
We need ponchos.
Time to get some briskets. Did you catch that caption? The real one.
What's everyone's dirtiest secret? Let's tell our fans.
Wait, I have one. One time I embezzled $5 million from my dad's company and he doesn't know yet. But if he would find out, I'd be in jail. So I'm really glad that this isn't being recorded right now because if it was, I'd be in jail.
Okay, I can tell my deepest, darkest secret. I, along with two of my close friends who will not be named because I won't throw them under the bus, publicly urinated by the old well.
Why did you look at me and Vic? Now we're
I publicly
exposed.
urinated by the old well.
Show them your lock screen cam.
Oh gosh. This may or may not have been the night in question. It may or may not have been the night in question. That's an
All
awful.
right, Vic, what's your deepest, darkest secret?
My deepest, darkest secret. You're in love with me. No.
No.
Wait,
I'm in love with Emily.
That was really
did
rude.
hear that.
That was really rude.
Yeah, that was
I have
really
another
rude. Honestly, me and
Michelle, what's
Michelle
your
are
deepest,
so
darkest
in love
secret?
out right
What's
now.
your deepest, darkest secret, Michelle?
My deepest, darkest secret is,
Like we haven't heard everything.
no,
You're not here.
one time when I was in the 7th grade, sometimes I forget things. And I really liked this clear lip gloss. Thought it was groundbreaking, innovative. I forgot I was still holding it in my hand. Walked out of the store, came home, told my mom, started bawling, threw it in the trash can because I knew that if I brought it back to the store, they wouldn't believe me and they'd arrest me.
Yeah. I have one again.
Finish your beers. Finish
I have
your
one
beers.
again.
I have half a cheek. Raspberry lemon sour. I'm really bad at drinking.
Look at my butt.
Come here.
It's hanging off.
Come here.
It seems like I keep drinking
Should we
this and
cheers?
it never
We
goes
should
down.
cheers. Cheers.
You don't gulp, you sip.
Yeah, you like don't take
Wait, hold on.
sips.
Cheers to Austin.
Cheers.
Cheers to us. Cheers to us.
Cheers to zygotes.
Okay, I have one though. So, in second grade, they know this, but in second grade,
Are you going to tell the story? Don't tell the story.
second grade,
Don't tell it to your fans.
in second
That
grade,
was for the real ones only.
No, it's for the
in second grade, I used to go to recess. In recess, I would go to my teacher's room. I would go to my teacher's room and steal. All the time. It's not that one. I would steal. I would
like,
steal
you're
from
really
the
about to go
bin
for
of
it.
like gifts.
Oh my gosh, yeah, no, I stole.
Y'all
I
really
stole
do
in
know my
pre-K too.
deepest, darkest
I stole
secret.
like these little like clear wrap
That's a
things
dark secret.
that the teacher had, and then I felt bad about it, and then I think I threw them away in my house. I was like, I feel bad, but I can't bring them back.
I threw away the thing that I accidentally stole, but Cameron did it on purpose, so.
Oh, one time, me and my friend in kindergarten, we like were being silly, and we went to like one of those playgrounds that had like the kitchen set, you know, that has like a little fake sink.
Yeah.
We peed in the sink.
Okay, well, I have a pee story, and this trumps all y'all.
Why would you bring politics into this?
Okay, so one time when I was in
You look really
Third
pretty,
grade.
Victoria.
One time when I was in third grade, it was handicap day at elementary school. And
Oh my
they-
god, are you guys listening to this? I feel like this could turn really poorly.
In third grade, it was handicap day at elementary school. And they turned the whole gym into a relay race of different handicap activities. So they had
That is
wheelchair
fucked
racing, they had crutches racing. Yes. That's awful. Yes. They had blind sticks where you could pretend that you were blind. This was in Georgia, by the way. Okay.
What's the name of the school? Out them.
Bullard
out there.
Elementary. Bullard Elementary in Kennesaw,
I'm getting the
Georgia.
roll of thirds in here.
So,
What year was this?
third grade. Third grade.
Oh, it looks like Victoria has a little hat.
Okay, so here's the story.
Wait, Michelle, look at this. I'm listening, but I'm filming, but she has a little hat.
Okay, here's the story.
I love your hat,
So,
Victoria.
I decide to go wait in the wheelchair line. And as I'm waiting there, I figured out that I had to pee really, really, really bad. But the line was really long and I'd already waited there for like 15 minutes and I didn't want to lose my spot in line. So I wait to get to the front, I sit down in the wheelchair, and I start rolling. I'm doing my race, I win my race. And as I get up from the wheelchair, I had peed the wheelchair. And there was a trail of pee that came behind me in the wheelchair. A big old pile. And I got asked, did you pee in the chair? By the PE teacher.
By the
And I
PP
said,
teacher.
no, it was the girl before me. And I didn't realize there was pee in the seat. And I had sat there. And then my mom had to come drop off pants for me. And I got detention.
For lying.
Why did you get detention for lying?
This is just story time now, but
So we're making some turkey, bacon, tomato, onion, avocado sandwiches and
not
wraps.
roughing it. I'm sorry.
We're living luxury here. We got the string lights up. We are squatting in a reserved campground site that no one came to fulfill, so
We are squatting.
lucked out. And now we're getting to cooking. We are making our way. Finding our way. Finding our way, as the Bible would
so
say.
what's the real question is, what are we looking for on this trip? What are we looking for?
We hope that one of the
What are we trying
billboards
to
will
find
convert
in
Vic along
ourselves
the
on
way.
this trip?
I am looking for a sign from,
The spirits from that voodoo shop.
no, I'm hoping that the Jesus signs on the side of the road will convert me to Christianity this
There you
trip.
go.
Wait, Vic, did you not see
don't know
us
if you knew
do a
that.
seance in the corner of the van the first night?
I am the only non-Christian in my household. And they took me on this trip to convert me, and if it doesn't work, they're pushing me in the Grand Canyon. They've already told me this, I've agreed to it. So
We're gonna shiwi
who
on her
knows?
if she
Who
doesn't
knows
convert.
if I will actually convert or not.
Michelle and I are gonna.
What's
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Do you guys have a reservation for this campsite?
No, we saw coming in that the reservation thing, it was like if you come in, you don't have a reservation, you can pay in the morning, and we didn't know if we were able to do that or not.
No, you gotta have a reservation for it.
Oh, we
Before
do?
ahead of time.
Okay, so there's no like coming in after hours time
No,
stuff
not
right
because
now?
of COVID, you get away with that.
Okay.
Oh no.
So you need to have a reservation in order to camp. And the reason we found out is because this site is actually closed.
Okay. Okay.
That's how I noticed it. So.
Videotaping and I was like,
Were you videotaping?
Yeah. So give us the update.
Alright, so we were minding our business. Well, okay, first of all,
we can't go to one city without some weird interaction.
Yeah, we pulled into the campsite because it was a safe place to
making my
stay,
sandwich.
and we didn't know if there were any, we had to do a reservation or whatnot. So we thought we could just pull into, there's a random one that didn't have any person here, and we could stay the night. Obviously that wasn't the case, and that we had to pay or make reservations or whatnot. So the police came and they questioned us a little bit, asking us what we were doing, and
They said, "You're drinking? I see you have alcohol. Give us your IDs."
they didn't say it like that. They asked very politely.
How did they see that? What I told you is like I knew that there was a sign and I felt like something was weird. So I like picked up the alcohol with the bread, but somebody else was standing there, probably watching.
Well,
so that's probably why
they
they thought it was.
They came. They were
sus.
nice
they probably
though.
thought
They
you
were
were being
nice,
sus.
and they laughed with us and joked with us.
They said they're
and
trying to burn off the turkey from Thanksgiving by walking around the
After.
campsite.
And
keeping us
so
safe.
now we are back to it. They're letting us stay the night because they
Are
want
nice.
us to be
Because
safe, and they're nice.
I pulled the card. They were standing there, and then things got kind of quiet. And then I said, "Yeah, we just had a really bad experience with kind of."
Well, we kinda did.
Well, I mean, we did, but
So we
You
are
probably saw me chucking food
back to
in
it.
the woods, and we're like,
we
"You
are
can't do that."
safe and good, and we're making our
now
sandwiches.
we know we can fall asleep at peace because there are
We can fall
officers
asleep at
patrolling.
peace. We have to pay $44 though, which is double what we thought we were gonna pay. But it's
Also,
okay
a Holiday Inn is free. So.
because we're on a
Holiday Inn is literally free.
We literally don't even have Airbnbs or a rental car for our way to get back to North
We have
Carolina.
now, the 2 nights that we have slept in the van, we have now come into 2 encounters with the police.
Hey, 2 out of 2.
So it's going well.
So
It's going well.
Does anyone want to hand me the turkey? 'Cause I'm trying to eat my sandwich.
Good job, Vic.
Thank you.
Vic on commentary. So we're about to cook some sandwiches.
You want me to do it, Vic, or do you want to do it?
You do it. I'm so scared.
Setting up the propane.
Hell yeah.
We're at McKinney State Falls Park.
No, that's not it. We're at some park.
McKinney Falls State Park.
McKinney Falls
McKinney
State
Falls,
Park.
yeah.
At a campground.
Throw
Okay.
this away.
We're at a campground and we're about to cook some sandwiches and wraps and stuff.
All right. Here we go. Let me turn it on.
This is the propane.
Ready?
tank.
Camera's gonna blow up.
All right, ready?
Yeah. How do I do it? Okay.
It's intense. It's hooked up. Oh, the flame.
Okay.
Look at
Where's
that
our pan?
flame. We're about to be cooking. Woohoo. It's
got
gonna
the
be
cheese.
yummy. We got cheese.
I hope it doesn't rain.
We got cheese.
Yeah, the rain's gonna take out our propane, so we better make dinner fast.
Thanks for the commentary, Michelle.
Here we are.
What's going on? It's dinner time.
We didn't say blessing.
4 cops, 4 girls, 1 van. Who would win?
The van always
Is it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Yummy?
It's so good. We got bougie or we have...
Hey vlog, this is my friend Hollis. Hello. My dearest friend.
Day 5. Day 5. I'm not showering.
I used to think I was leaves, but I